I'm going to show you how easy it is to cleanse and rejuvenate your skin with the PURECODE Derma Pro Skin System. First, charge your Derma Pro Skin System for about 3 hours using the USB port that's included. Cleansing. Let's start with the clean detoxification mode to cleanse and purify your skin. First, remove the plastic outer ring and place a cotton pad over the device head. Now reattach the ring to hold the pad in place. Apply makeup remover to the pad. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. The readout will say Clean Detoxification. Next, select your intensity level 1 through 5. You may want to start low and build up. Hold your fingers on the ion sensors on both sides of the unit as you cleanse your face. Now, remove the cotton pad. Photo rejuvenation. If you want to rejuvenate your skin and promote elastin and collagen production, apply lotion or serum before you turn the Derma Pro Skin System on. Press the power button to turn it on, and press it again to switch the mode. When the readout says Photo Rejuvenation, select your intensity level. Hold your fingers on the ion sensors on both sides of the unit as you treat your face. Firming and lifting. For firming and lifting your skin, apply lotion, serum, or a mask evenly over your face. Turn the system on and press the power button 2 more times to get it into its firming and lifting mode. Then, select your intensity level and hold your fingers on the ion sensors on both sides of the unit as you treat your skin. Eye care. To treat the skin around your eyes, turn the system on and press the power button 3 more times to switch it into its eye care mode. This mode is used mainly for eye massage. Next, press the intensity button to activate the red light if desired. Then, select your intensity level and hold your fingers on the ion sensors on both sides of the unit as you treat your skin. You can do this over an eye mask if you like. Techniques. Here are a few suggestions for positioning the device on your face. For your chin, start in the middle and move upward toward your ear. Repeat this on the other side. For facial contouring, start at your cheek, then slowly glide the device upward toward the cheekbone. Repeat this on the other side. On your cheeks, start down by the corner of your lip. Move the device slowly upward toward your cheekbone. Then go back to the corner of your lip and glide the device slowly up to your ear. Repeat these motions on the other side of your face. Cleaning your Derma Pro Skin System. To clean your Derma Pro Skin System, first, make sure it's turned off and unplugged. Then simply wipe the device surface with a damp cloth. And that's it! Don't use alcohol or any other commercial cleaning products because they can damage the device. And never ever submerge your Derma Pro in water. Timings. For the best results, use your Derma Pro Skin System for 20 to 30 minutes twice a day for the first 8 weeks. If you'd like to repeat your treatment after 30 minutes or use it on a different setting, you can do that. You'll just want to turn the system off, let it rest for 5 minutes, and then turn it on again. After that, use it 2 to 3 times a week. If your skin is sensitive, just use it once a week. Avoid using this system if you're pregnant or if you have any plastic or metal implants under your facial skin. And remember, the Derma Pro Skin System is meant to be used only on the face and neck. Enjoy your Derma Pro Skin System and the results you'll see on your skin.